Grouping form control in reactive forms. Reactive forms provide two ways of grouping multiple related controls into a single input form. One is a form group defines a form with a fixed set of controls that you can manage together, and nested forms where form groups create complex form. First, fixed set of controls in a form. Here, my form is a form instance and use form group. Inside form group, fixed set of form control, create a form control instance. First name new form control with empty value, and last name new form control. Okay, save this file and go to app.component.html. We don't need this, so delete and delete from here. Okay, save this and use form tag and define form group. Form group name my form. Okay, now create a form with two element, first name and last name. Input type text and form control name first name, another field label last name and input field form control name last name, and use a submit button inside form button and type submit, and button value to display on HTML page. Submit. Okay, save this and see the form, first name, last name, submit. We can use div save this again and reload. Okay, now implement a method name on submit, and print value in console dot warn this dot form instance my form dot value. Okay, and go to app dot component dot html, and here use ng submit, and ng submit method name on submit. Okay, save this and inspect. Here form control is a foundation classes in Angular application that tracks the value and validation status of an individual form control, and form group tracks the same values and status for a collection of form controls. Okay, now insert first name and send form data and see the form instance with first name and last name with the provided value. Data flow in reactive forms. User type a value into a input element. Here this is the input element and this is the input element, here with name, first name and last name. And second, form input elements emit user input event with the list value, sorry, the last value. And 3, The control value accessor listing for events on the form input element immediately relays the new value to the form control instance. Here, form control instance, first name and last name, and the value of first name and last name. Okay, now you implement a nested form using form groups to create a complex form. So add a form group instance address, create a instance with new form group. Okay, semicolon, comma. Okay, now create state new form control with empty value, city form control with empty value. Now go to app component.html and use a div and include form group name. Here form group name is address, and to field state use div input form control name state, copy this and rename city. Okay, now save this file and go to browser and type form control name form control name. Okay, save this file. Now insert form data, John Doe state Okay, now send and see the address city with value new city, state, new road, and first name John, last name Doe.